Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tints and Tastes with Porna. I am Porna. After a long time I am here with a long video. Here I will show one sunflower painting video. I am going to paint this on a 270 GSM paper as my phone cover and using acrylic paints, mainly Montmartre acrylic paints, and some are from Camel. I already painted the background in a light yellow shade. Now I am going to paint this sunflower. Sunflower is my literally favorite flower. Even any yellow flower is my favorite flower. It seems like yellow rose I also like so much. So whenever I like to draw anything flower, then I tend to draw sunflower only. So as my back cover now I am choosing this sunflower. So let's enjoy the painting. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, if you like my painting, do like this video, comment down below if you like this or not, or if you have any queries, like you want to ask anything me, comment down below. You can also suggest me some painting if you want to see any painting video in future. Now let's enjoy the video. The painting part is almost ready. Now only some detailing work is done, which I'll do tomorrow. Good morning everyone. It's a quite good and sunny morning. Let's see the outside. Yesterday I completed the painting part of this video. Now some paint detailing I will do today and complete this one. It's a brown ink gel pen I'm using. You can use any kind of pen. I don't have any yellow pen, otherwise I'll use the deep yellow color, but the brown one I have, so I'm using the brown one for shading. Now I'll do some outlines with this black fine liner pen. Here I'm using 0.1. You can use anything as you wish, any size and as you wish. I'll not use this everywhere. I will just use this for dark areas only, not the highlights. For the highlighting part I will use white jelly roll pen. This jelly roll pen is quite old, so it almost dried up, so I just take out the refill and I'm using that. Now I think I need to buy one. My painting is complete. Now I will sign the back in the back. I am writing here Paint with Poorna, which was my previous YouTube channel name and my current Insta page name. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you like my painting. If you like, then don't forget to like and comment in this video, and do share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.